Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of October 2021. In this reading, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, please. So let's see what is there for my Scorpios for the month of October 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Let's see. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Okay, Scorpios. Let's see. At the back of the deck, we have the World. Okay, this could be a period of transformation, a big transformation in your life where you could be transforming towards a better person or towards the worst. But why should we take the negative? Okay, I feel that you are happy. Whatever transformation is going on, see how beautifully this girl is smiling. It's a very beautiful change. It could have changed because of some kind of changes, something which made you tough. And now you are tougher than the past. You are becoming more and more tough in your present as well as in your coming future. So let's see what is that. In the past, we have 10 of Cups in reverse, Knight of Wands in reverse and Knight of Swords in reverse. Things didn't go really well for you, Scorpios, in the past. It could be a bad marriage, it could be a broken marriage, it could be something which just ended, a family ending, okay, relationship, a very beautiful, loving relationship just might have ended because of lack of passion, lack of energy, lack of love. It could be because of anything, but yeah, there was an end in the past. At present, we have the 7 of Swords, 8 of Wands in reverse, the Magician. The things are really going on, like, you know, you might be tricked by someone or you are the one who is tricking someone. I feel that this is more of someone else's energy, but it involves a lot of trickery, a lot of deceit, a lot of negative energies, and because of that you are attracting negative as well. Because of the energies which are happening around you, you are also attracting negatives. It's not you are not negative, no, but the darkness around you is because of the people around you. Okay, so you have to be aware who exactly this person is. I'm seeing that you are manifesting something also in the present because of the things which have happened in the past for you. Manifestations, you know, positive vibes which you want, which you are attracting are less than the negatives, although they are less no matter what, but at least you are manifesting positives. Okay, in the future, we have the King of Wands in reverse, Queen of Wands and Page of Wands in reverse. Wands energy, full Wands family is here. Okay, so I'm going to see with the clarification what these cards hold. Let's do the clarification now. Let's see the world energy for you, for my Scorpios. Why the world energy is here, why the world card is here. 4 of Wands, King of Wands in reverse with the Ace of Swords. Sorry, 4 of Swords, King of Wands and Ace of Swords in reverse. Okay, so this can be something which was unclear. It can be something around you which is not getting a clarity. Okay, it can be still because your thought process, you are really changing, you are ending something in the thought process, in your energies within yourself. You are ending, you might have not put that thing in action yet, but yes, you are ending something. It can be some bad experience, something bad, because negatives, which I told you that you are also manifesting the positives. So it could be the positive, it could be the negative things which you are ending and you are going towards something positive. You are taking rest. There is some peace. You might be not showing people what exactly you are thinking. The actions are really different than the thoughts, but your actions are actually will actually work according to your thoughts. Right now you might be not showing anyone, but you are really working for something. King of Wands. Things are unclear, so because of that, you are waiting for the fog to settle down to put your actions in front of everyone. So, whatever is happening, you are actually wanting that thing to happen and you are working on that. And that is very beautiful, Scorpios, because at least you know what you want to do. Things might take time, but you know what to do. Tell me more about the Knight of Wands in reverse for my Scorpios. Three of Cups, Death and Temperance. So this was a third party situation which came into an ending in the past only. Things might have come up in the ending because of something like you might have been the one who dumped the person who cheated on you, or it could be vice versa. Okay, but yeah, this thing has ended. It has come up in peace. I don't see you going back in that situation anymore. Tell me more about the Knight of Swords in the reverse for my Scorpios. Wheel of Fortune, Nine of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords in reverse. You have become very sharp because of that thing. Whatever things have happened, you were very rude at that time because of something which you found out. You were very rude. You showed your inner self because of being a Scorpio. Yeah, you loved this person like anything, but now you hate this person like anything. So yeah, you showed the real you showed the real Scorpio, and that was something because of which you ended everything. I don't see you being there anymore, but still we are going towards something else, but you ended that physically with that person, but mentally and emotionally things are revolving around you still because of Seven of Swords in the present. Tell me the Seven of Swords in the present energies. Why has it come up in the present? Is this person back in your life, or is this person Queen of Pentacles with the Knight of Cups might be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, or Capricorn with the Queen of Pentacles. But yeah, there is somebody who is coming towards you with a cup of love. It's a proposal. Okay, the person who ditched you is coming back. For some of you it can be new, but this person should not be trusted at present with whosoever you are dealing with, whether it's a new person or the old person. This person is not to be trusted. Eight of Wands in reverse. Tell me more about that. Eight of Wands in reverse. The World in reverse, Strength in reverse, and the Queen of Cups. Yeah, I see emotions are running really high for you. You might have not the courage to take a decision right now, but yes, you are in the process. That is the reason you are manifesting, because of either for this person or for the situation. You are really asking the universe to help you, to guide you, because you somewhere want this person, or you somewhere want this thing. The Empress energies are also here for you. The High Priestess, the Empress. Okay, so the High Priestess and the Empress has come together along with the Magician. I do not do such kind of readings, but honestly, Scorpios, something is fishy in the situation. Do not trust the person, do not trust the vibe which you are getting. Sorry, not the positive. Trust your negative. Trust that vibe which is trying to tell you that this person has some bad intentions towards you, because I see some intentions are not in a good way towards you. The hints which you are asking the universe, you might be getting in the month of October, but if you are getting a vibe that something is fishy, it is fishy. Trust your vibes in that situation. King of Wands in reverse. King of Wands in reverse. Two of Pentacles in reverse, the Chariot, and the Six of Pentacles, sorry, Six of Cups in reverse. This is moving away from the bad memories, which you are actually, I feel that you are going to take a step towards this thing in the month of October only. You are really going to be very much active for that. You might be in the middle of a situation, but I see you are taking a step towards this thing in the month of October, and you will be coming out of that situation in a very easy way. Because you want happiness for yourself first. Being selfish is not, is not bad, and you are doing that. You have to be selfish somewhere, Scorpios. I really recommend you this thing. The suggestion will be like this. Page of Wands in reverse, please. Why has it come? Judgment in reverse, Four of Wands in reverse with the Emperor. Sorry, Judgment in reverse, Four of Wands, and the Emperor in reverse. So something in relation with marriage is coming up. It could be an engagement, it could be a celebration. You might be going away to something, like you might be invited to someone's wedding, your friend's wedding, something, okay? Because happiness is there, celebration, I feel celebration is there. You might be meeting new people, but the judgment which you are going to take in regards with this thing will be your decision, and you will be doing really fine for that, okay? So just wait for the month of October, and all the best for that. So that is all from my side, my dear Scorpios. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.